Everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. So here we are with my adventure for today. Today's Thursday and I am wearing Main Attractions Hollywood in the color Pecan, which is described as a light ash brown with golden blonde highlights. So you'll see the color. So it's a little bit, if you're going from a brown to, trying to play with the blondes, I think it's a good step in that direction. Kind of transitioned you well. I think this was one of the early ones that I did that kind of started me into that. So that was good. She has, right now she's got a middle part. I'll show we've got the part right now. Definitely a longer. It says overall 18 inches, but the back nape is 12.25, so I think it's 13 inches long if you talk length. Let's see. I asked if you wanted to know the measurements, and I don't think anyone responded. But so the front is 6.75. The crown is 8.5 to 12.5. The sides and the back are 5.25 to 13.75, and then the nape is 12.25. So, from the inside back down. So I think it's the other part is that the length is 13 inches. All right, so let's take a look at the cap. This does have a lace front, so that's nice. It's ear to ear. So we have a lace front, we have closed wefting here, we have nice velvet ears, we have Velcro adjusters, which is really nice, extended nape with a nice velvet as well. Did I say Velcro or velvet? The ears are velvet. I think I keep switching Velcro. And then open wefting in the back. Little bit of stretch, not super stretchy, but just a little bit. But it's sewn really nice. It felt really comfortable. I did just, try it on to see. And that, so that is Hollywood. From that perspective, she's not heat friendly, so it's just basic regular synthetic fibers. So let's get her on. Let's get going. So we're gonna shake her up. I don't wanna shake too much, because I don't want it to get too knotty. And then we shall put her on. Okay, I'm making sure that she's adjusted underneath my WiGrip and fix my ears. Make sure that the ears are right and in place. Do my little metal stays. And then let's make sure that my lace is in the right place. So there's my start. And there's okay, so that's in the right place. Let's see, I get good coverage. So the ears end right here. So good coverage there. Again, my circumference is 21.5. So this fits good. Don't have a lot of extra space back here, so it fits really good. Let's see what we've got for permatease. Lots of permatease, so all down in here, it's all permatease. Yep, all permatease. I just want to wet it just a little bit. Does have a nice wave to it. Let me see. So let's see. Let's see how, I think I'm gonna, it's really, I would say it's a middle part. I prefer either middle part or left. So let's just get a little bit of, I don't want to do it too much. I think it's ready. I like to stick my fingers up under there sometimes. Get that permatease working up. even have permatease in the back. So this cap is, I would say that the full cap is permatease. So if you don't like permatease, then you're not gonna want to play with this one, because this is like almost 100% permatease. I don't think there's a spot on the cap that's not permatease. So this, I don't think I want to mess with this too much. You know what I do want to put is I do want to put some of the sea salt just for some of these. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just get some of that good beachy. It's almost it's a really nice curl. Yeah, I like that. Just put some sea salt in there. Scrunch that up a bit. Yeah, I like that. Make sure in the back. I don't know if I'm totally on board with this color. So leave me some comments leave me some feedback in the comments on what you guys think about this color on me. I'm not sure I like the ashy ones. I think when it's ashy, I'm not that crazy about the color on me. So leave me some feedback in the comments on this color on me. That would be very helpful. Yeah, I don't want to mess. I don't think this is perfect. It's got a little bit of lift that I like, so I don't have to mess with that. Let's see. Definitely don't want to do bangs. The curl is beautiful. I think just with a little bit of sea salt is all we needed. I'm not going to put hairspray in because we did do the sea salt. Everything's covered. I got enough lift that I want. Wow, so this is, I think that's it for this. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Very similar to Reeves, I would say, from Aesthetica, with the amount of permatease. So yeah, I would say it's definitely very similar to Reeves. All right, let me show you all sides. So my right, the back, and my left, and then back to the front. Wow, I like this. This is very pretty. I love the wig. Still not crazy about the color, I think. But I will rock it today. Let's just get a little, let me see if I did it uneven. Okay, I think that's it for today. Yeah, a quick, easy install. Question, should I glue down the lace? I almost feel like I want to, because it feels like it's sticking up a little bit. I wanted to try, so I've got this new stuff. I think I'm going to try this and yeah, I'm going to try this today. I think I'm going to glue down the lace. So I'm going to put this up, and I almost think I want to put it on my finger. Yeah, I'm going to put it on my finger and then put it on my head versus spraying it. Okay, so I'm going to do this. It did go ear to ear. Yeah, so this is sticky. I'm going to put like a double. Yeah, I think I'd rather, yeah, it feels better applying it like this than I'm just spraying it on my finger. Yeah, I think I want it. And it's drying really quick, very quickly, so I'm gonna need to get this on. Okay. Oh, it's a little sticking up. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to glue the lace down. Yeah. Let's see. It's not sticking. Is it sticking? It's not sticking. Directions. Spray product 2 to 4 inches away from the hair surface. Allow to dry until tacky. Okay, it's starting to stick. I don't think I have enough though. Yeah, it's not tacky. All right, so it's not gonna work like that. I'm gonna have to spray it. So, all right. I just don't want. I just don't like when it goes all over, you know? All right, so let's let that dry. Oh, I don't want no pieces. Let it dry. Just give it a few minutes. It's still wet on the sides. It's definitely getting tacky now. Okay, it's all tacky. All right, so. Oh no. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, too much all over my forehead. I'll have to clean that up once this is, oh yeah, it's sticking good now. Okay, that's worked, feels like it works much better than that. It stays, because I'm not having much success with it stays. And I don't know if I'm not putting enough product. Okay, we got some hair sticking. I don't want any of that because I got too much on my face. I'm gonna get all that out. But yeah, I think I like to glue it down when it's a lace, because then, you know, your lace isn't sticking up at all, just in case it lifts. Yeah, that's sticking good. So yeah, see, okay. All right, so that's that, and I will wash my forehead once I feel like it's totally stuck. All right. Yeah, so I glued that down today. This way here. Yeah, all right, I like that. All right, thanks folks. Everyone, it is the nighttime and I'm just showing you, this is my outfit for today. Just chubby old me. And this is how she wore. I took a little nap too. So she was gorgeous. I loved her today. I love the style. I do have to tell you though, I'm not crazy. I'm not that crazy about the ashy blondes on me, but she wore beautiful. The lace is still stuck down, so I'm gonna wash this off. I've got some John Rene, the number 4 to wash it off, but yeah, this was Hollywood. She was good, really good. I hardly felt like I had a wig on. I felt like I actually had my regular hair. That cap feels that good, and it was glued down there, so I didn't have any problems. So that's it. This is Hollywood from Main Attraction in Pecan. So thanks for watching, and thanks for stopping by, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.